In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show schools on the map on Zillow. Whether you're relocating for a job, seeking a new school district, or just want to know what's in the area, having schools visible on your Zillow map can be a tremendous help. Let's break down how you can do this effortlessly. First up, you'll want to head over to the Zillow website. If you've already got a browser open, just type in Zillow.com and hit enter. This will take you to their homepage where you can explore a variety of real estate listings across the United States. Next, to find a specific location, go to the search bar. Here you can type in the name of your favorite area or any specific location you're interested in. As you type, Zillow will suggest places, and once you've found what you're looking for, just select it. This step sets the foundation for which area you'll be reviewing schools. After entering your desired location, go ahead and click on the Submit Search button. This will generate a list of properties available in the area you specified. The map will also adjust to focus on this region, providing a visual representation of property locations. The next thing you want to do is look for the filter option on the Zillow page. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Schools. This is an important step as it overlays school information onto the map. Instantly, you'll notice various icons appearing on the map, indicating where schools are located relative to real estate listings. Once you have the schools displayed, you can refine your search by specifying what type of schools you're looking for. Are you interested in elementary, middle, or high schools? Perhaps you want to find private institutions or simply public ones. You can make these selections based on what you're specifically searching for. Additionally, Zillow even provides options to view schools based on their ratings. So, if seeing only top-rated schools is important for you, you can adjust the filter accordingly. This can be especially useful if quality of education is a primary factor in choosing your next home. Finally, don't overlook the option to include schools with no rating. Sometimes these are newly opened schools or simply haven't been rated yet. Including these can give you a fuller picture of educational options available in the area. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to see school locations directly on your Zillow Maps, helping you make informed decisions about the areas you're considering for buying or renting a property. Thanks for tuning in, and happy house hunting with these new insights.